Okay, it has been 24 hours. It's 9 in the morning, 24 hours after we first started, and the temperature is 90 degrees on the surface. And this pallet of ice, the unprotected pallet, next to the protected pallet in the SolX pallet cover bag. And this one has lots of melt. Can't give those away to anybody. There's still some ice in there. These are pretty slushy, full of water. We will count those out in a minute, see how many are left. But this is all the way around, just not much left in that pallet. So we'll take the pallet cover off of this bag pallet and see what it looks like after 24 hours. One that's melted. Overall, there is a lot more ice here than here. These bags top have more melt. Look, solid, a lot of ice all the way around. Look at that. That's a good solid bag of ice there.
Hey.
Now we're gonna go up close and take a look. You can see the difference. These right on top, you know, they've been exposed to more heat and more sunlight. So we'll take those off. And we're going to count up the bags between the two pallets. Go down one layer. Look at that. Just go down one layer of ice and they're still in there, frozen solid. All that ice in there is all frozen. We're going to count those up and see what the difference is between the SolX bag protected pallet and the unprotected pallet. Okay, so here is the unprotected pallet with all the unusable bags removed. Those are just full of water and slush. Of these bags, there's 29. And I went a little bit borderline on the count, you know. They're not frozen solid, but there's plenty of ice in there. So there are 29 bags that are usable out of 105 after 24 hours. Now we'll look at the count underneath the SolX bag. After 24 hours, out of 105 bags on each pallet, on this pallet there are only 29 usable bags of ice. Some are little borderline, but they're okay. On this pallet, we only had 7 bags of ice that are not usable. They still have ice in them, but they're not full, so I didn't count them. So there's 98 good bags of ice versus 29 bags of ice after a 24-hour period.